Integrating Technology with QR Codes, Part 2, Activities. Hi, in this video I will show you several ideas on how to integrate the QR code activities into each course. Activities can be used as assignments or in centers. Remember that you can modify any activity to your needs. Let's begin. English Language Arts. Here is a reading story and sequence. After reading the story, students will get the cards and place them in the correct sequence. Now they can scan the QR code to see if the cards are in the correct order. Reading centers. Each card has a story with details about the AR quiz, level, and points. Students scan the QR code and it will take them to YouTube, where the story will be read to them. Here we have a handout on synonyms and antonyms. In this handout, students scan the QR code. They will see 3 words. Students must write the word on the line that is the synonym or antonym of the word given, as per instructions and handout. Now we will see some activities for math. Our first activity is counting coins. On the left side, we have the cards. On the right side, we have the answer document. Students count the coins in each card. They write their answer on the answer document. Now they can scan the QR code to see if their answer is correct. If the answer is correct, they will circle the green check mark. If their answer is wrong, they will circle the red X. Now our next activity is telling time. This activity consists of cards with a picture of a clock on them and cards with the reading time on them. Students must match the clock from one card to the reading time of the other card. Once they have matched the cards, they will scan the QR code to see if they got them correct. Our next activity is numbers 1 to 10. In this activity, students begin by scanning the QR code. They look at the number that appears and write it on the write it box. Then they will spell it, color the 10 frame, draw, use telemark to represent the number, and add sprinkles to an ice cream cone. Now we will look at activities for signs. QR codes can be used to review vocabulary words. In this activity, students match cards with pictures and definitions to the card with the vocabulary word. Then they scan the QR code to see if they got them correct. Our next activity is on the life cycle of a butterfly. Students will scan the QR code to listen to the story. They will cut the pictures from the bottom of the handout and place them in the correct order on the handout. Afterwards, they will scan the QR code to see if they were placed in the correct order. Social studies. Our first activity in social studies is a handout and picture cards on needs and wants. Students will place the picture cards under needs if the picture shows that it is something we need. They will put the picture cards under wants if the picture is something that we want. Once picture cards are in place, students scan the QR codes to see if their answers are correct. Our next activity is biography handout. In this activity, Students scan the QR codes to listen to a book and video about Martin Luther King. Once they have seen both, they can complete the handout. Our last activity is library scavenger hunt. We have two sets of cards, the front of the card and the back of the card. The front of the card tells you where to go. Students read the front of the card and go to where it says. Once there, they scan the QR code on the back of the card and follow the instructions on what to do. This concludes the video. Remember that there are endless possibilities in which to use QR codes. If you need assistance, please contact your DLS at your campus.